s'en va rencontrer Mike. Mike a un super jardin chez lui et il va nous montrer comment faire notre propre jardin dans la roulotte. Un petit jardin.
Répète donc ça.
Il va voyager avec nous.
Il va nous montrer comment faire notre jardin dans notre roulotte. Wow.
Toujours à la recherche d'activités qui rejoignent nos intérêts, on a découvert qu'il y a un horticulteur dans le coin qui pratique l'agriculture aquaponique. Et il paraît que le jardin qu'il a aménagé autour de sa maison est un must. Une autre belle rencontre en perspective.
I'm Stefan. How are you?
Hi, Stefan. And who is this?
I'm Amelia. Nice to meet you.
And you guys, especially you two, you're gonna love it here. This is the House of Sustainability. I've got chickens, I've got rabbits, I've got big giant fish, a dog named Roxy, and a big turtle named Winky.
What? Winky?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And if you guys want to see my garden, it's right here. This is it.
All right, kale.
One of them. This is one of my gardens. This is kale.
Yeah.
It's organic kale, and it recycles water. So it's saved about 90% water. What it's all about. It's about sustainability in the home. You know, the more you can grow yourself, the fresher it is, the better.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but look at this, the stalk on this kale here. That thing's about
Amazing, huh?
4 feet tall.
Wow.
When's the last time you saw her 4 foot tall? And I'll show you, I've actually got a micro farm in the backyard. And then for the kids, let me ask you kids, where do eggs come from? You eat eggs in the morning, right? Where do eggs come from? Yes. Okay, just for that, you get to get some of the eggs. Chickens just laid some eggs this morning. You're going to help me.
Cool.
No,
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's do it. Come
let's
on.
go. From where? From here?
Yep.
She's so
slow.
cute.
Hi, Winky.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Winky. Hey. Don't get too close to the mouth, though.
Faut
Just
pas qu'elle ait peur. Faut pas
yeah, just
Elle peut
you
te
never know.
snapper les doigts, OK?
Yeah,
Sinon, elle est douce.
yeah. See, it's
That's a
a
sea turtle.
yeah. Hello. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Drôle, hein?
That's like a
c'est
magic.
beau.
It's a waterfall.
Regarde sa petite chute qui s'est créée.
This is a rainwater harvesting system. When the rain falls on the roof, we have it traps the rain and it goes underneath this whole area here. And I have a big tank underneath the ground. It holds 5,000 gallons of rainwater.
Wow.
And this rainwater, we save it so when it gets hot in the summertime, then we use it. Okay, I have another little piece of magic over here. It's called a koi pond. Come on, boys, let's go
Okay,
check
on va
out
aller
the
voir.
fish.
Je vais nous montrer quelque chose.
Ah, des carpes japonaises. So
They are
nice.
beautiful.
Now, here's the interesting question. What is this big thing floating in the middle of the koi pond?
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
It's a floating vegetable island. We could call it aeroponics. That's actually chard. It sucks up the pond water, which is nutrient rich, and it grows without any soil. You've heard how bad the drought is in California.
Yes.
So because of the drought, food prices are spiking up. So how do you grow food and not use a lot of water? It's a system called aquaponics.
Okay.
And aquaponics is when you have fish, let's say goldfish or koi, in an area like we have here, and the stuff that the fish let out in the forms of ammonia. So this is like a big giant fertilizer area. And so what I did was I took a pump and I built all these, I call them water walls, but they're really pipes that are drilled into, and I planted some roots or some food into them, and so every 15 minutes the water goes on and it cycles and it pushes water through all the roots, and
C'est comme c'est génial.
so that's how it looks.
Wow. What kind of vegetable you can do with that
Anything.
system?
Anything, but you can't do like roots like beets or carrots. You can't do that.
This is betterave.
Yeah, that's kale. It's a soil garden that can grow anything because it has soil. Now, I just clicked the system on. We have bubblers, so water's coming out of this right now. Now, normally in a raised planter box, when you water, the water goes back to the ground and you don't see it anymore. Well, in this system, we actually put fish-safe pond liner inside of the box, so it traps the water on the bottom and it sends it to a white pipe. That white pipe is right here. So it goes on for 1 minute a day. That's it. It waters, and then it traps the water, goes back down, and it saves it for the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day.
So, Mike, you're going to teach us a trick so we can grow stuff in the Airstream.
In the Airstream, and recycle and reuse the same water over and over. Remember, you're at the ground zero of sustainability. So I'm not going to send you off with just something that you could just buy at a store and just, and waste and be wasteful. I want you to save water, have respect for water. It's our most precious resource. So here I have a bowl of this precious resource, water. This is kind of like an old Santa Barbara type of pot. So what I'm going to do here is, everybody loves strawberry. Yum! Look at this. Let's see if the boys want to water this. You want to try to? Okay.
T'en mets la moitié
Okay,
dedans,
just
puis l'autre moitié, ça va être notre
Water
okay?
with half of it, and then.
Vas-y.
Well, go ahead and do the whole thing. Go ahead and water
Vas-y,
it.
verse-le tout
Water the whole
partout.
Go ahead and water it.
Fais le baisser un tout petit peu.
Good. Now what happens is you have to have drainage. And so underneath here, there's a little drain underneath here. It's still draining. Well, what's going to happen is when it drains, typically it just goes back to the earth. But in this case, I have a container here, which I customized here to fit inside the pot. So this is going to go inside of here.
And this one has no holes.
Right.
Okay.
Well, wait a minute. I got another one. And so there's actually two of them here. So you put this inside right here. So tomorrow when you want to water it, you take this out. Your water is right here. You put this one in this one. You water it.
Pour récupérer l'eau.
And you put it there. And you put it here.
In a nice jar.
Ta-da! A California strawberry plant.
Est-ce qu'on devrait l'amener dans notre roulotte?
Oh my God, yeah, that's a perfect plan for the Airstream.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful gift. Thank you so much.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
Les d'autres pour les poux.
Ils nous donnent tout, les fins. Est-ce que vous dites merci?
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Wow, c'est la maison des poules.
Oh, there's rabbits in there.
Ah,
Now, there's rabbits.
Ouais,
There's
ça
right
passe-
underneath here. There's a rabbit underneath there.
tu vois un poulet?
Hi, rabbits.
Ah! Elles nous ont suivis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ça, c'est ta poule à toi, ça, hein?
Where are the eggs, les
Where
gars?
are the eggs? We're on a treasure hunt.
There.
Oh,
Inside.
you're right.
Oh, yeah.
Let's check and see if anybody laid an egg. They got. Oh my goodness! Do you see
Oh
any
my
eggs?
God.
Wow. Il y en a
Wow.
combien, les amis?
Ben voyons donc.
Oh my goodness, they're eggs. Whoa. Well, you're gonna have to help me collect these.
Steph, fallait que tu l'attrapes.
Attrape-la.
Ben non, mais-
C'est ça ouvert pour que...
Just grab it. Just grab it. Oh. Now they're playing hard to get. We need one of you guys. Oh, this is so funny.
Wow, t'es dans bien bon, mon loup.
T'es donc bien bon, Coucou.
Hmm. Est-ce qu'on voyage avec des poules dans notre roulotte? Moi,
Ça-
j'aimerais ça.